So these six companies allow you to set your own hours, giving you full control of your time, allowing you to work whenever you want. So stay tuned. The first company that I want to bring to you today that allows you full flexibility with your time is Time ETC. They are hiring virtual assistants. So if you're someone who has an administrative background or any type of clerical background, working in an office as an assistant or anything like that, then you would be qualified for this role. They are looking for folks to work flexibly as virtual assistants. This is a very highly rated company and they have been named top 25 culture leaders in real business, top 2% in the employee engagement with Gallup polls, and they're highly recommended on Glassdoor with 4.6 out of 5-star rating, and they have been around since 2007. They have helped thousands of hardworking people thrive as virtual assistants, working part-time and flexibly around your life. So you use your admin skills to provide entrepreneurs, leaders, small business owners with vital executive assistant and administrative support. So you'll be able to work flexibly from your home using your laptop or computer, and you get to choose when and how many hours you work, leaving you free to balance your work with your family life. So there is guaranteed pay and hourly rate with increases over time for all of the work that you do. And again, this is very highly rated company. So here are some reasons that you may want to work with them. They are offering meaningful work. You will get to build rewarding long-term relationships with a variety of interesting clients, and you will finish your day knowing that the work that you have done made a huge difference. And you will be in total control of your work, which fits your life. You will be able to set your hours, decide how much and how little you want to work. And as far as earnings, you will earn great money without even needing to leave your home. They start at $17 an hour and it increases over time. And based on long-term relationships, they offer friendly support. They pride themselves on looking after their virtual assistants. So you will find supportive and friendly support. Again, very highly rated on Glassdoor, 4.7 stars. So if you're someone who has the administrative background, clerical background, working in an office, then you can apply with Time ETC and be in full control of your time. So this next opportunity that allows for full flexibility with your time is through Studypool. Now definitely featured Studypool many times on my channel, and I continue to bring them to you because they are very highly paid. You can earn up to $7,500 per month working from home tutoring students. Now you don't have to have any experience tutoring students, but you do have to have a college degree or be enrolled currently in school. So this feature, they have been featured on Yahoo, Finance, Inc., Entrepreneur. So they are very well established and very well known resource for students looking for assistance. So there's some good reason that you may want to consider Studypool. Now this platform does offer the convenience for students to ask the question and be assisted by folks from their knowledge base, and they do charge service fees because you are hired as an independent contractor, so their service fees are very low, only 20%, and this is the lowest service fee pretty much in the market. They offer you reliable income and you can make really good money using nothing more than your own knowledge and your keyboard, and you get to choose when you work and where you work. There's no boss, no office, no quotas. You are in full control creating your schedule. So again, student will ask specific questions, tutors provide the full explanations and answers, students will communicate with tutors. You communicate together, and the tutoring sessions are just one-time question based. So here are some examples of some recent questions from students that they can look over. And again, this is a worldwide opportunity, and here are some of the popular countries that have been working for Studypool, which include Canada, Indonesia, Mexico, Pakistan, South Africa, of course here is in the US, Zambia, Vietnam, Ukraine, Philippines, Nigeria, Malaysia, and India. And so here are some of the top tutoring subjects. Now they are not all of the subjects that they offer tutoring, but these are the more popular. So you have accounting, health, medical, psychology, algebra, law, science, business and finance, management, statistics, chemistry, mathematics, writing, computer science, and programming. So with Studypool, again, like I said, no experience is necessary. It's optional. You will be an online instructor, but you still have to have either active university enrollment or have a bachelor's degree to become a registered tutor. And again, it's very highly paid. Students will set a time limit and a price range, and they can choose to make their post anonymous if they don't want their username to be seen. Now, once they do that, you will bid on the question, and the students have the option to select a tutor by comparing reviews, statistics, and profiles. So you want to make sure that that's kept up to par, and then once that's done, the students just wait for your answer to the question. And there's a messenger feature that they can use to collaborate with the tutors, and then payments are made by the students via credit and debit cards as well as digital wallet. Again, they offer the full flexibility of your time. There's no boss, you're pretty much your own boss. So this is definitely going to be for someone who has a great knowledge base of a particular subject. You don't have to have the experience, but this gives you some full flexibility with your time, and it is global opportunity. So the next opportunity that allows for full flexibility comes to you from Clickworker. Now Clickworker has been featured on the channel before as well, and I wanted to bring this one to you again because it does allow you to work not only from a laptop but also from your phone. You are allowed to work fully flexible hours, setting your own hours, and this is a company that allows you to get paid doing microtasks. And this company is highly featured as well on Trustpilot. They have a 4.3 stars out of 5, and that's for almost 3,000 reviews. So they are a very reputable company as well. Now they don't just provide easy click jobs, but they offer interesting and fun tasks. So you'll be able to help shape the future by participating in AI training, in surveys, voice recordings. They offer a wide variety of jobs to choose from. There's a great range of jobs that's available, customized just for you. And with this, you are earning money again with microtasking. So once your work is finished and approved by the client, you will receive regular and secure payments. Your payments are provided via PayPal, and you are paid weekly, and you get to decide for yourself when you get paid. So at Clickworker, they do take data privacy very seriously. So they have a platform to ensure that your privacy is always protected. There's data security, data privacy, there's transparent handling of your data. So no worries, there's no matter where you are or how much time you have, you are guaranteed to find the right job for you. No matter how much time you have, you'll never miss a job. Activate your push notifications in the Clickworker app, and they'll immediately let you know when a new job is available. And that way you'll never miss an opportunity. Now you can easily track what you have earned and how much you have earned. It's always available in your account balance, and you are working without connection to the internet as well. Each accepted job is reserved for you for a fixed time. So even if you're offline and you submit the job when you are online again, that's okay. Now they offer help desk support. There's a safe environment, so you know that you can focus on your task without worrying about potential security breaches. So with Clickworker, I did check to see an average you are making around $16 an hour, upward of $45 an hour, and their employee rates overall compensation is about 2.5 stars out of 5. So just giving you real numbers here, but this again is a really great opportunity to be able to work fully flexibly, because like I said, you can work from your phone or you can work from a desktop or a laptop. So that allows you for full flexibility. You can work on the go. If you're traveling, you want to get some hours in to make some extra money, you can do that. And again, they offer projects like surveys where you can share your opinion. You can do text creation, creating informative text, product description or articles about a given topic. There's research work involved. There's mystery visits, you get to do some mystery shopping, get paid for shopping, visiting nearby stores, or just taking pictures of the products and uploading them. So that's an opportunity there as well. There's also app testing. So as an app jobber, you can help optimize the design, functionality, and usability of different applications. There's photo capturing. Take any kind of picture with your smartphone, upload it, and you're done. Audio recordings, you can do that at home and on the go recording, short audio clips with your smartphones. So there's also even video recordings as well. So just doing a plethora of microtasks and making money along the way. So now I do want to specify that these hourly rates are literally for specific roles with Clickworker. So it may not necessarily apply to you doing these microtasks, but here on Reddit, here is someone that made $350 so doing Clickworker. And so they are definitely a reputable company. So on average, it looks like you are more or less going to make around $12 an hour as a microtasker. But this is another opportunity to have full flexibility with time and working on the go, working whenever you want, and that's what it's all about. Now this opportunity is a new to the channel opportunity. It comes to you from research transcriptionist, and you can start a research transcriptionist career with them. And this is for certified research transcriptionist. You can earn great money, learn new skills, you are setting your own hours, and you do work that make a difference. So this is exclusively for the US-based transcriptionist and closed captioners. So you can become a certified research transcriptionist, and if you are a reliable transcriptionist who is US-based and legally permitted to work in the US, then they'd love to hear from you. If you are a US military veteran or dependent, they'll help you start your transcription career with free learning resources. So they are considered one of the best online transcription jobs in the US. They are 100% US based, so you won't be competing for work with lower wage workers in other parts of the world. They pay top rates because they require top quality. They are considered team players. Their transcription team members help each other and even become friends. They are all about quality. So if you are a perfectionist who paints over minor details, then this might be the online transcription job that you're looking for. They also offer great opportunity for growth. So business is booming and they need good people who have proven themselves to be honest, reliable, and loyal. And you get to work on interesting accounts and research from medical to marketing, academia, health, sciences, US veteran related concerns, and more. And you'll also receive extensive resources to help learn about security awareness, confidentiality, HIPAA compliance, protecting human subject, research participants, and more. So to join the team, you have to meet a 10-point qualification test. So they are looking for multi-actor verification to ensure US residency and legality to work in the US. They are looking for typing accuracy, punctuation mastery of the Microsoft Word, someone who has great listening skills, internet research skills, someone who is punctual, and ability to follow precise directions, security and awareness training in testing, and hack compliance training in testing. So to be considered for a place on their team, they do want you to complete this form right here and get that submitted. So if this is something that you think you can do, if you have some sort of typing background, if you are a great typist and you are very keen on details, then you should apply to this one. Again, you can set your own hours, so that's the key. There's being able to be flexible with your time. You are in control of your time, so you can check this one out if it feels like it's right fit for you. So today's last opportunity for full flexibility with your times comes to you from Market Force. Now with Market Force, this may be considered more of a side hustle, more so than a full-time position, but you will be hired to be a mystery shopper, so you get paid to shop, eat, or play. You can become a mystery shopper with Market Force. You get reimbursed for doing something that you enjoy. So again, this is not considered a full-time opportunity. This is a side hustle. This is something that you can do in your spare time to earn some extra money. So please understand that it's not being offered as a full-time opportunity. Now it's free to sign up, and mystery shoppers can impact in their local communities by helping stores, restaurants, banks become better places for consumers, and mystery shopping does drive real improvement for future customers in areas such as customer service, product selection, and cleanliness. So it's simple. If you are interested in becoming a mystery shopper with Market Force, you just click this link right here, or you complete the information here. If you have some questions, you can just send this form in. So that's it, guys. If you want to check out 4 high-paying remote jobs, you can check that out literally by clicking right here. And I'll catch you in the next one.